Hello everyone, good morning. Today I would like to present my proposal concept statement about digital professionalization of migrant athletes, a digital mobilization model for enhancing social well-being among Indonesia workers in Taiwan. So here's the background and problem. Over 300,000 Indonesian migrants live in Taiwan. Many experience social exclusion and limited visibility. Active participation in community sports like futsal is common. However, participation is mostly informal and unrecognized. Lacks of recognition limit social validation and sense of belonging, result in social capability gaps. Workers have skill and engagement, but lack a pathway to meaningful social outcome. So here's the research question and scopes. For the research question, how can digital mobilization and professional league participation transform migrant athletes' engagement into enhanced social well-being and social integration? This study proposes a digital professionalization model to address social invisibility and limited recognition among migrant communities. Here's the theoretical frameworks for the social disruption, structural marginalization, low visibility, and limited integration of migrant athletes within the lost society. Mediator digital mobilization like digital tools, Line, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, and viral media exposure like CNA and RTI as a conversion mechanism that transform participation into recognized social value. For the moderator, professional leagues participation. Engagement in the Formosa Futsal Leagues provides structural exposure, liquidity, and performance standards. For the primary outcome, social well-being enhancement, transformation into improved social integration, social contribution, and social recognition. Here's the methods. We will conduct with one group quasi experimental, pre, during, and post. Participation is Indonesian migrant athletes from BTN FC Taiwan, worker and student. A measurement instrument using KS, social well-being scale. And there is three phases, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, as you can see. And here's the conceptual models. Formosa Futsal 1 leagues as moderators and professional leagues participation, and then digital mobilization. To reduce social disruption. Then we have the primary outcome for social integration, social contribution, and social recognition as the social well-being enhancement. So for the research significant and SDG alignment, theoretical contribution extend the capability approach by introducing digital visibility as a conversion factor in community-based context. Practical contribution provides a scalable digital mobilization model for marginalized population. So social impacts transform migrant workers from invisible laborer into recognized social contributors. And policy relevant align with SDG 3, good health and well-being, and SDG 10, reduce inequality. So here is the expected results: significant improved social integration and perceived contribution, enhanced digital literacy and communication skill, strengthen identity reconstruction and self-recognition, and demonstrates that viral media exposure function as a key mechanism of social validation. For the discussion implication, the community level, migrant working gain visibility, voice, and social recognition. Research level, validate digital mobilization as a socio-technological mechanism. Policy level, support plus digital ecosystem for integration policies. Technological level, demonstrate that accessible platform lines, Instagram can drive social transformation. For the limitations, small sample size, context specifics, Taiwan Futsal Leagues, future research expand to other sports like volleyball or cricket or basketball or badminton, investigate long-term effect on career mobility and economic outcome. Thank you.